It's so exciting. I think that the pharmaceutical industry, and there are a lot of industries like this, but I think that we're poised to make big strides, huge strides in the next decade or so. Okay, my name is Allison Norick, and I'm the manager of the project management group at Bioconvergence. We have the privilege of working with clients who are in the pharma industry that are developing drugs that are going to be approved, hopefully, in the future to treat various therapeutic areas. And I really feel, I get a sense for the first time that I'm making a difference and working on projects that are actually going to mean something to somebody down the line. My job as a project manager is to work with the technical experts at Bioconvergence and with our clients to sort of get everybody on the same page. We're just kind of helping smaller clients and bigger clients navigate their way through clinical development. My best advice would be to not fear the opportunity to lead, to get out there and despite your age or despite your experience, you have something valuable to offer in your leadership skill. Well, ultimately, I define success in being able to balance my job as a mother and a wife and a career woman. Being able to do those two things, fulfilling my own desire to have a career, but also making sure that my kids grow up and they're good people. And ultimately, I think when I'm old and gray, I want people to think that I left the world that I participated in a better state than I found it. You know, I appreciate immensely the opportunities that I've been given at Bioconvergence. And I'd also like to thank my parents who are going to be at this dinner tonight. It's their investment in my educational opportunities and in my personal development that have helped me to get to this place.